Ways to get rich in the new economy. The world is changing faster than ever before, and with it, the pathways to wealth are evolving. Gone are the days when a steady job and a savings account were your best bet for financial success. Today, the buzzing world of the new economy, there are countless opportunities to build wealth, if you know where to look. Leverage the gig economy. The gig economy isn't just for side hustles anymore. For many, it's become a goldmine of opportunity, offering the flexibility to pursue multiple income streams simultaneously. Platforms like Uber, Airbnb, and Fiverr have opened up new avenues for income, turning personal assets and skills into profitable ventures. But the real secret to striking it rich in the gig economy lies in scaling. Start by mastering a niche service or offering that's in high demand. Then, build a brand around your service and gradually increase your rates as you gain more experience and recognition. Eventually, you can outsource the work, managing a team of freelancers to deliver services under your brand, turning your gig into a full-fledged business. Beyond individual gigs, consider the creation and sale of digital products. Whether it's courses, ebooks, or software tools, digital products have near zero marginal costs, meaning once they're developed, they can be sold repeatedly without much additional expense. Invest in cryptocurrency wisely. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital money. It's a technological revolution that has the potential to redefine the future of finance. Getting rich in the world of crypto requires more than just buying Bitcoin and hoping for the best. It demands a strategic approach, including thorough research, diversification, and timing. Start by educating yourself on the fundamentals of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Then, diversify your investments across different coins, focusing on those with strong fundamentals and real-world utility. It's also crucial to stay informed about market trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. But investing in crypto isn't just about buying coins. Consider exploring decentralized finance (DeFi) opportunities such as yield farming, staking, and liquidity mining, which can provide passive income streams. Master the art of online trading. Online trading has democratized access to financial markets, allowing anyone with an internet connection to invest in stocks, commodities, and more. But to truly get rich through trading, one must approach it with discipline and education. Begin by choosing a niche in the market, whether it's day trading, forex, or options trading, and dedicate yourself to learning everything you can about it. Use demo accounts to practice without risk, and gradually develop a trading strategy that fits your risk tolerance and goals. Successful trading also involves staying abreast of financial news, understanding market indicators, and continuously refining your strategy based on performance. Dive into real estate investing. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth building, and in the new economy, it's more accessible than ever. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. With options like real estate investment trusts, REITs, and crowdfunding platforms, you can start investing in property with a relatively small amount of capital. Focus on markets with strong growth potential and consider strategies like buy and hold, fix and flip, or investing in rental properties to generate passive income. To truly excel in real estate investing, it's crucial to understand the market dynamics, including factors that influence property values and rental demand. Networking with other investors and real estate professionals can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Become a content creator. In today's digital age, content is king. Whether it's through blogging, YouTube, podcasting, or social media, creating content that entertains, informs, or inspires can attract a large following, and with it, significant earning potential. Start by identifying a niche or topic you're passionate about and that has a dedicated audience. Consistency is key, so commit to a regular posting schedule and focus on producing high-quality, engaging content. Monetizing your content can take several forms, from ad revenue and sponsorships to selling merchandise and digital products. As your audience grows, so be your opportunities for income. Building a strong personal brand and engaging with your community can turn your content creation from a hobby into a lucrative career. Innovate with tech startups. The tech industry is a hotbed of innovation, and startups are at the forefront, disrupting traditional industries and creating new markets. Getting involved with a startup, whether as a founder, early employee, or investor, can be a path to significant wealth, especially if the company goes public or is acquired. However, success in the startup world requires more than just a groundbreaking idea. It demands resilience, adaptability, and the ability to execute effectively. If founding a startup seems daunting, consider joining one in its early stages. Look for companies with a strong team, a clear value proposition, and the potential to scale. As an early employee, you may receive stock options, which should become highly valuable if the company succeeds. Capitalize on e-commerce boom. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop, offering endless opportunities for entrepreneurs to tap into. Launching an online store has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Shopify and Amazon FBA. Success in e-commerce requires finding a profitable niche, understanding your target audience, and delivering a seamless shopping experience. Focus on building a strong brand and leveraging digital marketing strategies such as SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing to drive traffic and sales. Consider exploring emerging trends within e-commerce, such as dropshipping, which allows you to sell products without holding inventory, or focusing on sustainable and eco-friendly products, which are gaining popularity among consumers. Exploit the power of AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are transforming industries, automating processes, and creating new opportunities for innovation. Getting rich in this space requires a blend of technical knowledge and entrepreneurial insight. Start by learning the basics of AI and machine learning, either through formal education or online courses. Identify industries that are ripe for disruption or areas where AI can solve complex problems. Building AI-driven products or services requires a multidisciplinary approach, combining technical skills with business acumen. Tap into renewable energy sector. The global shift towards sustainability and renewable energy presents vast opportunities for wealth creation. Renewable energy, including solar, wind, and hydro, is not only beneficial for the environment but also increasingly profitable. Investing in renewable energy projects or companies can provide steady returns, driven by government incentives and growing demand for clean energy. Alternatively, starting a business in the renewable energy sector, such as solar panel installation or wind farm maintenance, can tap into the growing market demand. Success in this field requires staying informed about technological advancements and regulatory changes. Embrace educational technology. Education technology, EdTech, is an emerging field that combines education with technology to create more effective, accessible, and personalized learning experiences. With the global education market undergoing significant transformation, opportunities abound for entrepreneurs and innovators to create solutions that enhance learning outcomes. Developing educational apps, online courses, or learning management systems can address various needs in the market, from K-12 education to professional development and lifelong learning. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.